Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to pot a seedling and 5 tips on how to keep your plants healthy. It's a adenium arabicum seedling. Adenium arabicum is a species of plant commonly used for bonsai. Roots are very nice. I am placing a broken clay pot piece at the bottom of the pot to cover the hole. Now I am filling half of the pot with soil. Tap the pot gently to reduce air pockets. Place the seedling in the middle of the pot. Fill with soil. Press a little with fingertips. It will reduce air pockets and the seedling will be able to stand firmly. I am adding more soil. Now it's watering time. I am using a water bottle which has holes on its cap. You can see the water is draining out very fast. I am watering for the second time. And a little bit more watering. Excess water has drained out. There is no water logging. After 10 days, shoots have come out. Now it also has some leaves. Keep the plant in proper sunlight. Choose proper soil mixing for the plant. Don't overwater your plant. Remove fallen leaves, it attracts ants and carries disease like mealybug. And last but not the least, use organic fertilizer, but don't over fertilize your plant. Subscribe my channel for regular updates and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching.